Hi, I'm Scott from Libetron Aerial. We took a little break from our usual commercial and agriculture activities today to try to bring you something beautiful and hopefully a little bit unique, locally at least. I had not seen any videos at all with any FPV drones flying around the city of Regina, and so we thought it might be fun to take a spin around the city just because it's a nice way to get a different perspective of areas. So we started off spending some time at the Conexus Arts Centre. It was just a gorgeous day to fly around there. And then we headed downtown to fly. We went with the last daylight hours on a Sunday evening just to be sure that there was as few people as possible, and that worked out really well because I think there was a total of 4 people that I saw the entire time flying down there. I don't know about you, but I find it really interesting just to get that different perspective of flying this FPV style, just to get a good look at the rooftops and all of the rest. It's just a lot of fun for me. And then finally we went out to Mosaic Stadium just to button up areas of interest, I guess, and had a lot of fun also flying around there. It's one of those places you want to be very careful and respectful of, flying around a stadium like that, so that's exactly how we tried to behave. But anyways, we sure hope that you enjoy the footage, just a different way to have a look at the city. Thanks a lot for popping in and watching. A quick mention about the drone used in this video. It's called a DJI Avata, and it's an FPV style drone. It's classified as a Cinewhoop drone, and this drone is completely capable of all sorts of stunt flying, like flips and rolls and instant turns going the opposite direction, yaw turns, etc. But it can also be used in the way we did in this video, was just to use it as a different perspective in a more of a cinematic feel. I just want to mention here that Libetron Aerial does take flying drones very seriously. It's starting to be odd to say that the technology is still new, and I know that the general public is concerned about it. We think that it's really important that anybody operating a drone does understand laws of the air really well, in particular with drones like FPV drones that have high velocity and move at irregular trajectories. We're always sure to fly only when we have authorizations. For example, our flights through the city that you're seeing in this video were all authorized by Nav Drone, that is, on behalf of Transport Canada, and just so that everybody understands and knows where the drones are in the air. But the purpose of this video is to have some fun and hopefully offer you something that's both interesting and beautiful for you, not to preach. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you soon.